One cockling over there. That tree line is one cockling. Now hear it? We'll hit it on the way back. Just stop. Justin, stop. I know, I'm stalking him. Oh, to the left of me. Okay, real slow. Michael, you ready? He's right in front of you. Hold on. In the corn, he's in the corn. No. Michael, be ready. You got him?
Yep.
All right, good deal. He got him. Good shot, Michael. Oh, good shot, Justin. Is that 2 for you?
You got him.
Yeah, I think it's the second one. Freaking fantastic.
No, this is the one right here. Yeah, I have one on my car right now.
That's your second one, right?
Yeah.
I thought I heard you get the other one back there.
Yeah, oh, did you get
There's 3 of them in there. Nice shooting, dude. Good deal.
Just give him the one.
No,
So
thank you.
one,
So I can keep hunting.
Thank you. Oh, you want it back when we're done?
No, just, yeah, everybody has one then.
All right. I heard you shoot, and I heard the wings flapping, so I knew you had that first one.
Well, I heard him shoot, but I couldn't hear anything else.
Thanks, Justin, man.
I heard another cock. I'm like, there's another fucking bird.
We were chasing this motherfucker all the way.
I know, we're stalking the whole thing. I didn't want to spook it.
Yeah. Yeah, he stepped out right in this field, and he looked at me. I said, shot right there.
Freaking fantastic.
He just said, who are you?
We were down there, I heard one cocking, I thought it was in that tree line.
Fuck in my bag. It's so high up, like I can't get
That's
it.
freaking awesome. That's a good day hunting.
Yeah, it turned out pretty good.
Yeah, it turned out good.
That makes me
I'm
happy.
surprised there's 2 in there. I had no clue there was 2. I only heard 1. You know what I mean?
3.
Yeah, technically 3 then.
Technically.
I heard his first one, and the one we were stalking, I didn't know there was a third one there. I knew there was 2.
The third one. That's why I was like, oh, I'm gonna brush.
That one I never heard him. I came through, there was a little bit of a clearing, like grass, a little bit of grass come. I was just taking my time, I just seen fucking movement. That's all I saw. Flew him. And then right after I shot, I heard this one down here.
I heard you shoot, and I heard the wings flapping, so that's how I knew you got that one. I heard it go pop,
I heard another one take off. I said, oh shit. And I was going to take a shot, but I was like, you ready? By the time
I had no clue there was a third one in there.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
That's surprised the third one in there. I was like, what?
Of course, they're all in the 2 are in the corn.
Yeah.
Go figure.
Well, I think he was in this bush. I think we start slowly.
Oh, that's true. Yes, right. He was in there.
He was in the bush. I think we slowly, because I heard, because he kept on cockling. He kept on going a little bit farther.
Yeah, that's why I thought he was in that tree line, but every once in a while I probably hear something in his wind pick up.
Yeah.
That's why when I came out at the end of the tree line, there's a little bit of grass patch. I'm like, I'm just going to walk real slow.
Yeah.
And I'm walking, I can see his fucking head going.
Yeah, this guy just walked out. He looked at me. I said, I just shot right in the head.
Nice.
Yeah.
Which way you want to go now?
Okay.
I don't know.
We can either go back to the weekend. There's a tree line there. I wonder if we can go through here and hit that tree line, maybe. I don't know. I never hunted that.
Yeah,
I got a
Freaking deer. Deer. Whew. I saw something brown when I went to shoot. It was a freaking deer. Nice doe. Freaking missed it. I wasn't ready for that.
Yeah.
I figured at least shoot and try, but I wasn't freaking ready.
Yeah,
I was looking that way when you yelled.
Yeah. I didn't want to. I could have shot, but I didn't want to come towards you.
If you wanted to shoot in front of me, I told you it was in front of me, I wouldn't have cared.
Yeah. I didn't want to risk it.
Yeah, better shoot than sorry. I wasn't even freaking looking the right way.
Yeah, you're good.
That was a nice cockbird too. Freaking kidding me? If I'd been freaking paying attention, I would have had him. Well, at least I got to fire the gun. I was too busy looking down there in the woods.
Yeah, like, problem was, I first I wanted to start doing, and also there's something I couldn't swing.
Justin, you spook him out of there.
Huh?
Did you spook him out of there? I didn't hear him at first, and Michael goes, John, I look, and he's freaking moving.
Yeah, I couldn't swing because of corn.
I probably shot right behind him.
I thought I heard something, but then I Michael moving that way.
I couldn't like swing really.
He must have been freaking hiding in there.
Yeah. But I couldn't really swing to the right much because of the corn. It was just blocking my gun.
For a while in there, he got freaking thick.
Yeah, I got really bad for us. I couldn't even see on the tree line. No, I got really bad there. Damn, should have had that
Shit.
one. It's alright. Yeah, you came out quick and I couldn't swing with the corn. The thing about corn is when it's over your head, like, blocks the fucking gun. Yeah. If I could take a shot, but I knew I was gonna miss. I would have been behind it. That's why I try to give you a heads up, see if you can, come towards you. You can hit that.
Michael.
I'm good.
Justin, want any?
Yeah. They're in here. It's right in these fucking tree lines.
Yo, did you get these freaking buggers? Yeah, you got them too.
Yeah.
They're needles, dude.
Oh, yeah. They freaking suck.
They freaking are needles. They started hurting. I'm like, oh, fuck. I got them all, first I got them all around my crotch. So I was trying to, like, real quick, like, rip them off because they're hurting. The needles are poking me.
Yeah, I thought I heard something, but I couldn't see in, and I thought, it's him going through the brush. I didn't hear much of it.
Alright.
Wait, nobody getting him for a while.
Huh?
I say nobody getting him for a while.
Yeah. He gone.
Get it. Yeah, good shot, Michael. You got him. Good shot. There's another one. Got one of there. There's two in there, Michael.
Yeah, no, but I can't get it.
I'm staying right here. I saw where he dropped. He's right in front of me, Michael. Hold on, Justin. We got one. Or Michael got one. All right, start going to your left. He's right in front of me.
You want more to my left?
Yeah, he's right in front of me.
Okay.
I'm turning now. He's dropped. You're right in line with him where he dropped.
Right here?
No, come towards. Go to your left.
Huh?
Keep coming. Right about there, maybe a little further yet. Right in that area. Freaking lines.
Yeah.
You're tripping on them.
Yeah.
I bet he's in there.
He might jump in the woods.
Yeah, I'm sure he's down in there. Coming over. Yeah. I'm sure he's down in there in the thick stuff. Yeah.
He probably said, nah, I'm going.
There he is. You missed him. You get him?
I couldn't see him.
That's probably the one that we chased.
Yeah, it's the one we chased.
I thought he went down the woods.
I thought it was going that way first.
I took a shot. But I couldn't see him.
It's alright.
I took a shot when it was like all the way out there.
Screw
I
it.
took a shot. I had no scene. I just saw kind of his face. I'm like, I guess that's him.
I think that was a hen.
No,
Yeah.
that was a male.
I don't know. It did look like a hen.
Yeah, it looked
That male might be down in the woods. That looked like a hen. It didn't cockle. Usually the male will cockle.
Yeah, it just made like a...
Well, what do you want to do about my gun?
I mean, if we're okay, if we get near like trails and
That's what I told him. I was okay for now that they're going to unload though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get to the trails and whatnot.
Yeah. I fucking killed him though. It was a shot and a half. He came out quick and I fucking turned and fucking blew him apart. He didn't even move or nothing.
It's definitely over here.
My battery died right before he shot. I think that's what. I think that spooked him because when it goes off, it says camera stop, and they took off. And he freaking fires, and all of a sudden another one freaking comes out. But I didn't have a shot at him. He was too far off.
Yeah, he's stacked over here.
It's probably because everybody pushed him out all the way.
Yeah.
Not this way.
And no one wants to walk all the way the fucking mile in a year away. Except our dumbasses.
Hey, it's paying off though.
Yeah. I only got 2. I'm done.
4 total.
Yeah.
We missed what? 3?
3.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I hit that one. I just don't know where.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's right. So yeah, technically.
I missed that one, missed that one.
Oh, it is what it is.
I don't think so. We missed the one that he shot at when it came
I still think yours ran. Cause we found his. I think yours ran.
I don't think it ran.
But unless it buried itself somehow.
Yeah, it's at mine. I mean, it folded. Like,
That's what his did. His folded right away.
Yeah, that's what mine did. Mine just went bloop, and it just dropped. I heard it hit.
Yeah, we just couldn't see it.
Yeah, I think it got like in that, fell on the thick stuff.
That shit we went through was pretty fucking sick.
Yeah, it was.
We found it, but
Yeah.
it took us a while.
Maybe it had enough energy, it crawled.
I was just getting ready to turn around and I saw it. I thought, I think I'm going too far. Nope, there it is. Put somebody. Oh, you get the freaking fire! Let me fire, dude! I would have had it. I was just getting ready to pull the trigger. The hell? Who shot that?
Dad.
I didn't get a chance to pull the trigger. The hell? Yeah, I guess so. Hell, I'm glad you hit it though.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna let it away. I fucking knew it was gonna be one of that grass. Yeah.
I guess we're hunting this field. Might be another one here.
Where did it drop?
I don't know. I was too freaking pissed off. I was just getting ready to pull the trigger.
I was like, okay, come out right in front of him, shoot.
I was. You guys should give me 2 more seconds. Actually, 1 more second. He's to your right. Right to your right, Justin. I think. He dropped. I just got the safety all support, getting ready to pull the trigger, and I hear boom. Well, I'm glad somebody got him. Let me see where they at.
You'll see him.
I don't know. That's a lot of freaking feathers. That might be an overkill. Yeah, seriously. He'll find a needle in a haystack.
Right here.
Find him.
Yep.
Yeah, he's funner than we thought he was.
Woo!
That was good fun, you think?
Yeah.
I didn't think he'd be that far out.
Good deal.
There you go.
All right, awesome.
Holy shit.
So we only need 1 more, huh?
Yeah. See if we can get one more in this fucking pack.
Been a million places, I never see a million faces.